Welcome to Fun with ABCs.
Hi, friends! Today we're going to learn how to read with two special words. I am. Are you ready to read with me? Let's go! I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I am big. I am big. I am small. I am small. I am funny. I am funny. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I am strong. I am strong. I am smart. I am smart. I am kind. I am kind. I am fast. I am fast. I am ready. I am ready. I am clean. I am clean. I am loud. I am loud. I am quiet. I am quiet. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am full. I am full. I am good. I am good. I am brave. I am brave. I am a friend. I am a friend. I am helpful. I am helpful. You did amazing, little reader! Keep practicing your I am sentences, and you'll be reading all by yourself soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reading fun. See you next time!